everyone. A warm welcome to all of you to Warriors Academy's new episode. As we all are in a shock hearing about the tragedy which took place on Tuesday, 4th August at 6 p.m. in Beirut. So, in this episode, I would like to discuss about this tragedy. Before discussing about the tragedy, let us see where is Beirut located. Beirut is the capital and the largest city of Lebanon. It is a peninsula at the midpoint of Lebanon's Mediterranean coast, and it is an important regional seaport. It is one of the oldest cities in the world. It is also Lebanon's seat of government and plays a central role in Lebanese economy. Let us discuss about the causes for this explosion. The exact cause remains undetermined. The first blast may have been in a fireworks warehouse at the port. Officials say the second, more devastating explosion most likely came from a nearby 2,750-ton stockpile of ammonium nitrate, a highly explosive chemical often used as fertilizer, which Prime Minister Hassan Diab said had been stored in a depot for 6 years. Investigators will try to determine whether the blasts were accidents or intentionally triggered. Beirut was engulfed in civil war from 1975 to 1990 and has been bombings and conflict since then, raising fears of a possible return of violence. But Major General Abbas Ibrahim, the head of Lebanon's General Security Service, warned against speculating about terrorism before the facts were known. Now let us see where did it happen. The blast caused severe damage to buildings, warehouses and grain silos in the port in the north of the city. Beyond the industrial waterfront, the explosions tore through popular nightlife and shopping districts and densely populated neighborhoods. More than 750,000 people live in the parts of the city that were damaged. Even before the explosions, Lebanon had been suffering from a series of crises, including the plunging value of its currency, an influx of refugees from neighboring Syria, and the coronavirus pandemic. Since last fall, waves of protesters have taken to the streets to vent anger with Lebanon's political elite over what they consider the mismanagement of the country. Now we will see how big were the blast. The second explosion was like an earthquake. Witnesses said that it was felt in Cyprus more than 100 miles away. Ammonium nitrate explosions have caused a number of disasters. A ship carrying about 2,000 tons of the compound caught fire and exploded in Texas City, Texas in 1947, killing 581 people. About 2 tons of the chemical were used in the 1995 terrorist bombing of the federal building in Oklahoma City, which killed 168 people. Now let us go through some of the disheartening pictures and videos about the explosion. A very tragic incident, really. We also mourn with the Lebanese people. I hope the information provided by me in this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching. All of you take care. We will see in the next episode.